Framing then and framing now, they're different, but we get the same result. If you frame a 2x4 wall, there's nothing to keep it from going side to side. You've got your top plate, your bottom plate, and then your studs, so it could easily fall left or right. Well, these angle braces that they put in the corner back then actually stop that from happening. The minute you change that angle of that brace, it becomes very rigid. They did it on both walls. So today what we would do is use plywood. The plywood is our brace that basically keeps the house from rocking and racking. If you look at this text here, it actually says this is moisture repellent gypsum, which is essentially drywall, which is not enough to stop that. Today we would use plywood. This is not real sheeting, it's just a backer for the brick. In addition to that, anytime you cross your angles in a framing project, you increase the structure strength. And what they used to do in the floors is they'd run these boards on an angle at a 45-degree across, so the more times those wood elements cross angles, the strength increases. What we would do today is OSB sheeting across the floor, which again, not the same angle, but same theory, it creates that strength and rigidity.